You walk into a room and instantly feel the tension no one's talking about. You catch the micro-expression that flashes across someone's face for half a second. You notice the small changes in tone, the shift in body language, the things left unsaid. While everyone else moves through life on autopilot, you're picking up on details that others miss completely. And here's what nobody tells you, this isn't just observation. According to neuroscience research, your brain is processing information fundamentally differently than most people. But what scientists discovered about people like you goes way deeper than just being perceptive. There's actually a specific psychological profile behind this, and what it reveals about your mind might completely change how you see yourself. So what's really happening in your brain when you notice everything? Researchers at University College London found that people who are highly observant have increased activity in their anterior cingulate cortex, the part of the brain responsible for error detection and emotional regulation. But here's where it gets interesting. This heightened awareness isn't random. It's actually linked to something psychologists call sensory processing sensitivity, a trait found in roughly 20% of the population. These individuals don't just see more, they process environmental and emotional information more deeply than others. Their brains literally pause longer on details, analyzing patterns most people's minds automatically filter out. Think about what this means in real life. You're in a conversation, and while the other person is focused on the words being said, you're simultaneously reading their facial expressions, noting the inconsistency between their smile and their eyes, picking up on the slight hesitation before they answer your question. Clinical psychologist Dr. Elaine Aron, who's spent decades studying this trait, found that highly sensitive individuals process information through a more elaborate cognitive pathway. Your brain doesn't take shortcuts. It's running a complex analysis in the background, connecting dots between past experiences, present observations, and potential future outcomes. But here's the part most people don't understand, this constant noticing comes with a psychological cost. Stanford University research revealed that people with heightened observational abilities experience significantly higher levels of cognitive load throughout the day. Your brain is essentially running multiple programs simultaneously, and unlike a computer, it can't just close the tabs. You're noticing the colleague who seems off today, the friend whose enthusiasm feels forced, the partner whose routine has subtly changed. Each observation triggers a processing cascade, and by evening, you're mentally exhausted while others seem perfectly fine. And there's something else researchers discovered that explains why you might feel so different from everyone around you. People who notice too much often develop what's called hypervigilance to social cues, a pattern where your brain prioritizes threat detection and emotional reading as survival mechanisms. This isn't a weakness. It's actually an evolutionary advantage that kept our ancestors alive by detecting danger before it became obvious. Your mind is doing exactly what it was designed to do, just at a level most people never experience.